Dude, I did this for one of my challenges. I told myself I'm never doing that again. This is going to be interesting to be able to continue a podcast while being in extreme pain. So let's run it. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
Dude, you know I'm pretty good with spice, but that's gonna have me shaking.
there's the hiccups, bro.
We've had people cry on this podcast, but normally it's for other reasons. You get some seeds?
The watchers are like, why the frig am I watching right now?
Dude, you have a full tier.
Dude, I told you, bro, I suck at spice.
What's been getting you excited in life lately?
Comfort. I can't even speak.
Dude, habanero's no joke.